Hello everyone, Tasha is here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how do I make this ribbon brooch with satin fabric. This is a 5 by 5 centimeter. I also cut two of them diagonally to make 3 triangle shape for flower center. I fold it like this and using pin to secure it. Then add one by one like this and also secure it with pin. I'm using 6 petals. Now I sew this with double thread and running stitch. Pull it gently to gather all the petals. Now I lock the stitch by sew the last stitch twice and then cut the remaining thread. Now I'm going to sew this petal the same way with the main petal before, but here I don't use pin because it's easy to handle while sewing at the same time. Pull it gently and it will look like this. Very neat. Again, I'm going to lock the stitch by sew the last stitch twice and cut the remaining thread. This is an artificial stamina. I apply a lot of to make it looks little bulky. I mean bigger. Apply hot glue to stick them all together. This white strip is actually the back side of a double tape. Then apply hot glue here to secure the stamen position and press it gently. Then apply glue here to attach the flower center. Then put the flower center, then press it gently. Cut the remaining stamen and secure it with hot glue. Apply the flower base. Now I'm going to work with gross grain or GG ribbon. This is a 2.5 wide and 24 in length. Now I just make a classic ribbon like this and then fold it diagonally and put hot glue to secure. I'm using tweezers to help me press it tightly and then apply hot glue again and attach the flower. Then attach this pin. It's done. And another one. Thank you so much for watching and hope you get benefits from this tutorial. Have a nice day.